Hey guys, my name's Chris Appleton. I'm so happy to be here today with Glam Seamless. I'm here in the Glam Room and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create this glass hair look. Now, I've already prepped the hair and we're going to use two types of extensions. The first one is the invisible clip-in, which is one of my favorites to use just because it's so quick and easy. So sort of 90% of the head, we're going to clip in these extensions. And then the top piece, which I'm super into right now, is the hand-tied weft. Now this is very different. No one else is offering this on the market right now. It's a really, really flat weft, which I'm actually gonna use the Glam Seamless liquid adhesive. I'm gonna show you exactly how I lay it in and get it super, super flat. The whole thing about glass hair is you get that seamless kind of blend of hair extensions. So from the front here, these shorter areas will blend and go all the way into a flawless, kind of luxurious length of hair. And that's what really makes the look very iconic. So when we're clipping in the extensions, what I always like to do to make sure you keep a nice flat head shape is just take a diagonal section towards the front. So if we take a straight section, the hair would sit away from the face, whereas a diagonal section, the hair will sit towards the face, which with glass hair is really, really important. What's amazing about these extensions is they sit super flat to the head. That enables me to go really high up with the extensions. With a lot of clip-in extensions, you can't get this high because it gets very bulky. As you can see with the invisible clip-in, is it sits super, super flat to the head. Now I'm gonna show you a little trick what I like to do. So when I'm gonna put my clip-in in, what I'll usually do with the section of hair is where I wanna clip it, just tease it at the root a little bit to create like a bed of hair. What this will do is basically stop the extension from sliding out, especially on kind of glossy hair. And then a nice little tip that I like to use is just use a little bit of hairspray where I've kind of backcombed it. What that will do is basically lock it in so it doesn't move anywhere. Then just using the clips, I just slide it into the back combing so it sits nice and close to the scalp. What's great about this is it's gonna sit really flat. So when I pull the hair over on top, you get that real seamless join and the shape of the head doesn't change, so it's super, super flat. So it's as quick as that. And once this is in as well, the clips are really kind of good at hugging onto the hair, so it's not gonna move or slip out the hair. And you can give it a good brusher and it's not gonna move or go anywhere. And you can see already there's that really nice blend. But what I want to do is show you my technique of how I really get right closer to the top and glue tracks in. Now, the gluing technique is a technique I've used for years now. I learned it when I was doing Fashion Week because it's a great way of getting a super flat shape to the head. So what I'll do is I'll get my hand-tied weft and I'll just measure a section out. And the Glam Seamless liquid adhesive. Now this is medical grade, so it's safe to use on the hair and the skin. And we're basically gonna put a fine layer on. This is gonna last for a couple of weeks, so it really stays in there. So then we're gonna take the extension and I lay it in really, really high towards the flat, and I just rub it with the liquid adhesive and then that sticks and it's not gonna go anywhere, which is amazing. And as you can see, I can get straight in there with a brush. I don't even actually need to hold it and brush it through. Can you see already how seamless that blend is? Then when I put the top section over the top, what's great about it is there's no lumps or bumps. It's super flat to the head and you get that flawless finish. Okay guys, so there you have it, it's the glass hair. I wish you guys could feel how flat this is because it feels so nice on a head. There's no lumps or bumps. And obviously the key and most important thing is you get this real flawless finish of length. Also, we've added that color in, so you get that slightly lighter color, which I think is really beautiful. And we just ran the flattening irons over the top, but it really didn't need a lot of work, because like I say, the quality of the extensions really is what's gonna make the difference to the whole finish of the hair. Making sure that you use your hand-tied weft on the top to get that real flawless blend, I think makes a big, big difference. And it really is the difference between something looking, you know, okay and good, or looking amazing and really eye-catching.